Hey, it's Miss Alana here, and we are working on math to get smarter and smarter every day. So we're doing soccer math, and we are down to our last column on our soccer math Messi sheet. So for this video, this is part 1 of our monthly salary information, okay? Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. So right here, let's see. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, look, he's like, yeah, I got this. Just like, you got this. Yeah, we got this. All right, so his monthly salary, say that number with me, is $6,783,333. What? That's how much money he makes in a month? Yes, if you do something that you love and work really, really hard at it, one day you can make even more than that money in a month. All right? So let's look at the first question. The first question says, how much does he earn in a year? I need my paper because I'm going to need this information. So we know how many months are there in a year? There are 12. All right, so the 12 months in a year, let's say those months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, so the first question says, how much is he? I read that part. Now time for the clue. The clue says, to calculate how much money he earns in a year, multiply his monthly salary by 12. All right, so what operation are we going to do? It says right there. Multiply. We need to multiply what? The monthly salary by 12. So let's look. I just needed my paper since I scooted it up. Make sure I write it down correctly. Make sure you write it down correctly, because sometimes you work it out right, but then the problem, you didn't write it down correctly, and then it's wrong. Then you got to start over. So I'm going to write it down correctly to make sure we don't have to start it over. All right, so he makes $6,783,333 times 12. Numbers are lined up nice and straight. That 12 has a tens and a ones, so it's lined up with that tens and ones, okay? All right, so let's do 2 times 3. 2 times 3, that's 2 times table, that's easy. 2 times 3 is 6. 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 Oh my goodness, that's like 6, 6, 6, 6. That's 4 sixes, quadruple 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Oh, that's really weird. There's another 6. Put that 1 up top. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So write the 5. Carry the 1 up. That 5 is not a 6. And then 2 times 6 is, I'm like saying 6 a lot. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. I'm going to write the 3 right there and put the 1 right there. So I'm done with that 2. Take my pen, cross it out. I'm done. Remember, what do we put right here? Our placeholder, 0, right there. And then now we're going to multiply with that 1. Are you ready? All right, 1 times 3 is, now, very important that they're lined up straight, okay? I'm going to do my best job. You do your best job. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Look, important to keep up and keep track. 1 times 3 goes right here. 3. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. And then 1 times 6 is 6. So you see how everything is nice and neat. Let's add those together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Oh, wow, that's weird. 9, 9, 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Oh, there's another 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write the 3. Put up the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 7. Or I could do 7 and 3. That's 10. Plus 1 is 11. Write the 1. Put the 1 up top. 6 plus 1 and 1. That is 8. So, now what do we need? We need some commas. Start Oh, excuse me. Start at the end. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And what is the unit? See, look, no decimals up here, so we don't need decimals. The unit is dollars. I'm going to write my sentence here. Don't put it here, okay? Try to squeeze it in that box. Okay, read right here. How much does he earn in a year? He earns, and then write that number down, $81,399,996, period. You don't have to write the word dollars because, look, there's a dollar sign right there. So that's an easy sentence to write. I hope you wrote that down too. Make sure you always have your unit with your answers. So we are done with part 1. Moving on to part 2, and then we're done. We are done for the day. Well, do the back side, okay? Make sure everything is done. Then you'll be done for the day. Oh, and don't forget Reflex Math Study Ladder. All right, so see you next time.